Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable autoplay message effects on the iPhone 13 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Accessibility. Then we tap on Motion. Next, go down and tap on autoplay message effects. So tap on the toggle button to turn off, or tap on the toggle button to switch it back on. And this will allow full screen effects in the Messages app to autoplay. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key at the top to go back to Settings, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.